Friends, today the fashion world is changing very fast. Yes, today big clothing brands are moving away from plastic-based fabrics and looking for bamboo fibers because it feels soft, breathable, biodegradable, and environmentally friendly. Therefore, they are suitable for clothing, home textiles, and industrial applications. Also, cotton prices are volatile and polyester is facing environmental pressure. So, bamboo is becoming the new option. Generally, bamboo fiber is obtained from the pulp of bamboo plants, and it can be extracted mechanically or chemically. So, if you are thinking of starting an eco-friendly manufacturing business with a low initial capital requirement, then you can start a small manual bamboo fiber manufacturing business and potentially supply to textile aggregators who want a clean, sustainable raw material. However, setting up this bamboo fiber plant requires careful planning, understanding of raw material sourcing, machine requirements, and detailed cost specification such as operational capacity. So don't forget to watch this video from start to finish. And before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get more innovative business ideas like this. Come on, let's start. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market scope for bamboo fiber. Friends, the global bamboo fiber market is witnessing rapid growth as this bamboo fiber is used in a variety of products, including garments, mattresses, textiles, tablecloths, and many more products like this. Also, the demand for bamboo fabric is increasing in India, Europe, and the US. Apart from that, governments around the world, especially in India and Southeast Asia, are promoting green production practices and providing subsidies to bamboo cultivation and processing units. Also, although many types of bamboo plants flourish all over the world, only a few of them produce significant amounts of fiber. India already has a large supply of bamboo, but very few small companies are involved in extracting clean fiber. This means currently small-scale manual extraction units are fewer compared to large textile manufacturers. But competition levels vary by region. Choose the right raw materials. It is important to understand the raw material types when planning to set up a bamboo fiber production plant. It usually starts with selecting mature bamboo varieties that are 2 to 3 years old. So always choose thick-walled bamboo species known for their fiber strength, which you can get directly from local farmers, forest cooperatives, or bamboo groves in your village or neighboring states. Also, clean water is required for the pulping, washing, and chemical processing steps. And if necessary, some manufacturing processes can use mild chemicals or enzymes for fiber extraction and softening, although eco-friendly methods are preferred. In addition, optional additives can be used to improve fiber quality, dye absorption, or antibacterial properties. Required machines and tools. Next, let's look at the machines needed for this business. You do not need expensive machines worth crores to start this business. You can be starting it with basic extraction toolkits, which include manual bamboo splitters, scraping knife, wooden mallet, fiber comb, moisture meter, and drying rack that is enough to start. And it can be purchased from local fabrication shops or from online platforms like IndiaMart or Trade India. Initially, the equipment cost usually remains depending on the equipment and location, including storage racks and safety gear. However, actual costs will vary by supplier and region. So start simple. If production increases, then upgrade slowly. Space setup and licensing requirements. You do not need a large factory to start with a small-scale setting. Around 400 to 600 square feet of space is sufficient for cutting, cleaning, drying, and storage. Also, the location of the business is near the bamboo farming area and has good ventilation, as bamboo needs proper drying. Also, basic registration is required even for small scale as far as licenses for this business are concerned. First, take up MSME Udyam registration as it helps in getting subsidies and small loans. If you plan to sell the fiber in bulk through billing, GST registration is required. Also, for a rural setting, a simple trade license from the local panchayat or municipality is sufficient. If you later expand into chemical processing, you may need a pollution control board permit. How much is the total investment required for this business? Friends, if you want to start a small-scale manual bamboo fiber extraction unit, you do not need a large factory setup initially. Also, generally an investment of 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees may be required to start this business on a small scale manual basis. However, this is only a rough estimate as the prices for machinery available in your area, availability of raw materials, and other expenses may vary depending on the time, transportation, cost, and supplier. Therefore, make sure to consult local suppliers and financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Manufacturing process of bamboo fiber. First of all, cut the bamboo to the correct length and divide it into thin strips with a hand cutting splitter. Then carefully scrape off the outer green layer in order to get long fibers while maintaining low moisture content. After scraping, wash and dry gently in the sun or shade to keep fungus from developing. Next, break up the dried fibers by combing the material so that broken fibers and dirt are removed. Finally, pack the clean long fibers in moisture-proof packaging for sale. Long unbroken chemical-free fibers have the potential to negotiate based on fiber grade in the textile market. Avoid harsh treatments with chemicals. Buyers around the globe now prefer eco-certified raw materials. Proper drying is very important so that the price is reduced by moisture. A consistent thickness and neat appearance will help you to attract repeat buyers. Marketing and sales strategy. Now that your bamboo fiber is ready, start selling locally by first approaching handloom collections, small textile mills and eco-fashion startups to sell them. Also register as a seller on B2B platforms like IndiaMart and Trade India to get bulk buyers and thus gain a wider customer base. Next, you can also connect with sustainable fabric exporters looking for natural fiber suppliers. Not only that, your social media pages showcasing your clean extraction process build trust with eco-brands. Finally, if your quality and certifications meet buyer standards, export inquiries may become possible. Friends, manual extraction keeps the electricity cost very low, which can optimize production efficiency. And the profitability depends on raw bamboo cost, rejection rate, labor efficiency, and buyer pricing. Margins vary widely based on quality and contracts. With the demand for sustainable textiles increasing every year, the long-term growth potential shows increasing market demand. So you can train local workers and increase production without investing in heavy machinery. Then slowly, your small unit can grow into a reliable, eco-friendly raw material supply business. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.